There are multiple ways to define the min or max positions for 3D printer using mechanical endstop, optical endstop, probe sensor and BL touch. In this video, we will explain how to define min positions for X, Y and Z axes using mechanical endstops. A mechanical endstop is a device used in 3D printers to help the printer determine its location and prevent it from crashing into the end of the axis. It consists of a switch that is triggered when the printer's moving part comes into contact with it, sending a signal to the printer's controller board that the limit has been reached. The mechanical endstop is usually located at the end of each axis of the printer, such as the X, Y, and Z axes. When the printer's moving part reaches the endstop, it triggers the switch, and the printer's software knows that it has reached the limit of that axis. This information helps the printer to accurately position itself and ensure that it doesn't go beyond the physical limits of the print bed. For installing the PCB mechanical endstop, we have designed a fixing bracket for each X, Y and Z axis. As we completed structural frame assembly for Core XY 3D printer. Next work is to define endstop positions for X, Y and Z axis of 3D printer. There are two ways to define the home position of extruder nozzle for 3D printer. Min position and max position. At min position, we will instruct the controller board, the zero value of each axis. And at max position, we will define maximum size bed for X, Y axis and maximum length of travel for Z axis. However, since we are building Core XY printer where Z axis bed travel from min to max position, we will define min position for each axis for this build. We will install the X endstop bracket at left side of nozzle extruder. The position of X endstop defines 0 of X axis. Nozzle extruder side surface triggers the limit switch and sends signal to controller board. Now endstops placed at random position. We will adjust the position of endstops once the heat bed are installed. Stay tuned with this channel for our upcoming videos. Next we will install the Y endstop bracket on right side Y axis guide rod. The position of Y endstop defines 0 of Y axis. Trigger bracket installed on Y-axis bearing triggers the switch. The next step is to install Z endstop brackets on frames. First we will install the trigger bracket on top side of bed frame. And install the Z endstop bracket on side surface of structural frame. As the bed frame moves up, the trigger bracket triggers the Endstop switch. We will show the wiring of Endstops with controller board in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.